How does your bike arrive? Every Fezzari is custom built for you through our 23-point custom setup. It's fully built, tuned, and test-ridden in our factory before we ship it to you. For shipping, we remove the front wheel, handlebars, seat, and pedals. It takes just a couple of minutes to put back together. We're going to show you how. To open the box, go ahead and lift up on one corner and then pull up on the tabs and slide your hand underneath. In the pedal box, you'll find the owner's manual and the tools necessary to assemble your bike. You'll need something to go ahead and cut the zip ties and unpack your bike. To put on the front wheel, you'll need the quick release lever that comes in the pedal box. Pull the end off the quick release, including one of the springs. You can see that the cones are facing in. Make sure the quick release is nice and snug. As you tighten the lever, it should leave an impression and a white mark on your hand. Next, we'll put on the handlebars. You can go ahead and use the Allen wrench that we provided in the pedal box to do that. Your handlebars should be centered left to right and parallel with the ground. The CR3 and the CR5 come with a race light stem. One side of the cap will have a dot on it. Tighten that side all the way first. The caps for the CR1, CR2, Catania, and Speedster will be one piece, and you'll just tighten all 4 bolts evenly. Make sure that the bolts are nice and snug when you're finished. Now grab the saddle and slide it into the seat tube. One thing you're looking for is between 25 and 35 degrees bend in your knee. After inserting the saddle, tighten the seat collar until it's snug. If you have a carbon seat post, be sure not to over tighten it. The Speedster, Catania, and CR1 come with a set of platform pedals. Regardless of the type of pedals you're using, you can put those on by twisting it towards the front of your bike. Pedals do come with a left and a right specific pedal, so you'll just have to note which one is which. If your bike doesn't come with pedals, we do offer pedals on our accessories page. You'll want to check the tire pressure before most rides. Go ahead and set it to the recommended PSI as indicated on the sidewall of the tire. Your bike is fully assembled and ready to ride. We love hearing your stories, so share them with us at Fezzari.com. For any further questions regarding support and maintenance, feel free to contact us.